Good morning. Today is October 2nd, 2024. And as you can see, yesterday we had a nice sell-off which brought us all the way to the previous weekly swing high, to the bottom of that range that we've been talking about, and sellers couldn't put any significant excess to the downside. We left a bearish imbalance with the target here at 5,700. But this was a strong support zone, which we've been talking about. To me, if we cannot break this, then we're obviously gonna go back to the point of control, and then above that retest the high end of this range. If we break this area, then the target becomes right here, this 5720 area, 5718, and then we have a little bit of support here, and then 5700 and this 5690, and then we have an untested close here at 5680 that I believe it was a weekly close, if I'm not mistaken, so that's it makes it a little more significant. Also, the 20-day moving average is there, the 21 EMA, so there's some support here. And then, if we're able to hold these levels, then the first level to look for is the 5778, which is the 20-day point of control, which we keep revisiting back and forth as long as we're in this range. So basically, the whole the scenario the hasn't changed much. For today, what I'm going to be looking for is if we hold inside the range, or if we get below yesterday's value and then take this lows right here, the overnight low and yesterday's low, and maybe bounce after that. Or the other scenario is that we move above value area high, and then we can target this 5779 and then attempt to move towards retesting the high of yesterday, which is a spike down. So trading inside the spike it's a little more bullish, and then it will target the top of that spike. Within Q we have a similar scenario. Same thing happened, same thing in the stop at that low volume node. If we break it, then I'm looking for this area to be retested, which is the 760 and then 660. And then if we get through that, then there's some room to the downside. We have to look at the 90-day profile to look for targets. And as you can see, there's not really a clear spot where we have all those volumes. We have a lot of volume other than this area, and then all the way down here at 19,150. So basically, if we get below the 20-day moving average, we could see a bigger move to the downside, but not yet. Remember, we're in one of the most bullish times of the year, so down moves, in my opinion, are gonna be a little suspicious. Crude oil yesterday, because of the Middle East issues, we had a huge day. Took out all this range, and now it's trading on the top of this range. It got to that 72.45 level that I had mentioned a few days ago, and now it's holding around there. We have the 50 moving average up here at 280 and change. And we have a little bit of resistance at 73.20, but if we get above that, then look for this area to be retested, the 74.50 area. And then other than that, if we come back down, look for the 90-day point of control, which is still here at 71.20. And gold did exactly what we said yesterday, which is tested below, like it was trading above here, so then we retested the point of control, attempted to test the high of the range. We didn't get to the 2700, but we did get to up here almost 2690 and change. And then now did another test of this low volume node. So I'm assuming that that we're gonna retest this 2685 again within the next either few hours or tomorrow. I think that's about it. We have some Fed speaking today at 11:30 and at 9 a.m. also. Well, that already happened, or it's in progress. At 10:05 also, there's a bunch of Fed speaking today. Then also we have crude oil inventories, and tomorrow we have U.S. Initial jobless claims and S&P PMI final, ISM services, factory orders. So tomorrow is a busy morning as far as economic releases. And then on Thursday we have on Friday. Yeah, Friday we have non-farm payroll. So that's a big one that always brings volatility. All right, good luck, and I'll see you around.